video. If you want to check this video out, please check it out. And by the way, just don't mind this the advertisement here. You could see this. So I'm gonna edit it afterwards. So till then, we're gonna play this game. Okay, so it's Craftmine or something. There's also this music which you guys may like or may not like. It feels too childish and cartoonish, whatever. Yeah. So we are at the game. It's the product and the production name is Wild Soda. Just check this game out, okay? Just check this game out. Just insane. Well, till then I'm going to entertain you guys. Hope it works. It's not working. I never flickered. Oh wait! It's mine survival, you guys. It's mine survival. So this music is supposed to be a music which may be a little loud, but yeah. Yeah, that song. There's also this cubic and cube. Well, actually I forgot. I don't know how to name myself, but I'm now with a dumb name called Cube. That's the most dumbest name. No, it goes till the end. Like, this is a DL. Wait, there's more? Gills. Justin Bieber. Get it? Justin Bieber. Get the joke? Wow, this Billy is just so big. Billy is so big. Wait, why? Oh wait. I'm on top. That is not unlocked. So let's just make a custom game. So yeah. Good thing. This is what I kept. But guys, we are now going to play hardcore. Okay, so this is hardcore, you guys. It's like this is hardcore. This is hardcore. Now it's going to be very low. Well, the rain are really short, but yeah. Just to make it a little bit fair, I'm just keeping this. There was also a lot of caves, not gonna lie. I want to go with this. How can I unlock the other things? I'm just on easy and normal mode. So that's a problem. See, if you die, your data will be deleted, you guys. It's kind of bummer in this game. I don't know if you could find the objects once you die. Like, how cool will be that? How cool will be like this, guys? If you just spawn in the spawn point that you are in earlier, how will that feel like, bro? Like, if I died one time in the game and I respawned, but I realized that this was my latest spawn, and then this was the game that I actually played in, and I actually found my stuff lying on the floor. I don't know if they despawn, but yeah. So this is my world. Wait, do I still have my wall? Oh, OMG, I still have my wall. But where did the diamond go? I think I my diamond here. I found diamonds over here. Where's that bummer? Wait, I have created a water purifier, have I? Oh, I just need wood, okay? A wood attack tower. Wow, I need bone and 12 wood. OMG, that's just expensive. Oh, expensive. I actually could make some, what do you call those things? Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, I'm hungry. I need more walls. For now, I've not crafted a door. But I just don't need the door. Just here, okay? I'm just telling just. Okay, it's scary. There's a spider nearby. I should better be careful, you guys. Like, literally. I should have hardcore. One time I spawned in a random area which I don't know where I am. I just need to start building my wall, but I don't know where I should start my wall. I'm just gonna start the wall here. We need a wall. Without the wall, we are just dead meat, okay? Like how I killed that animal earlier at the starting of the video. The rest of the rock will protect you. Still there are some. But now I'm stuck. Okay. So I just need a door. Pieces of wood. Now I can get rid of my wall. But now I have to break the wall. Oh wait, that's also building thing. And the item is actually in the inventory. If I would have not inventory, then only I am dead meat. I just need the door and then okay. Then I need the attack tower. What do you call those things? I need a tent so that I can get my way back home. I need wood 3. I need stone 4. Wood 3 and stone 4. Okay, let's take some flights. 3 stone 4. So I need 4 pieces of stone. And now it's all done. First we need that, and then we're done. There, I found some stone. That one piece of stone is the stone I want. Oh, more apple trees! I'm so lucky, bro. I should get some saplings so I can plant that outside my compound area. Or it will protect me from the outside world. So it will also protect me. Good thing. Now I need this wave outside, place right outside the door. The rocks will protect me. This actually feels like home, guys. This actually feels like home. Now my parrot is outside. No, it's outside. Oh, so I guess the pig. Okay. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to hit myself. Okay. I need wood is 20. Oh, that's a lot. 12. I have 12 pieces of wood. That's a lot of wood, guys. That's a lot of wood. Dead meat with that spot. Oh, what to do? Okay, I need 4 iron and silver. Only 1 silver. 4 iron and 1 silver. 1 iron and silver is I want it to be. Hopefully the silver pick will for my pickaxe and my pickaxe broke. Great. But at least we could get the defense tower. And our... Okay, so every time I come inside the house, every time I get inside the house, I'm cold. That's right. I think I have to exit right now. Well, we have created the wall. Now we just need to get a spanner, get a lot of defense towers, and we should be able to, you know, get some armor and better tools like diamond stuff. Yeah, that will be good. But right now I have to change my custom game. Okay, I just need the custom game to get changed. I guess I'm enough of the hardcore now, cause I'm getting cold for no reason, and I don't know how to warm myself up. Okay, so I'm just going to increase. No. Till 100. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, did. Now we just need to create a new. I just want to continue, guys. Uh, Board Kings. I like this game. I have downloaded the game, you guys, so I don't need to even play the game. This is not the actual Board Kings gameplay, I guess. It's just some sort of random game that you just what do you call it, just happens, or they just make it just to make it epic. Okay, it's not an actual gameplay. I could tell. It may look a little lame but interesting at the same time at the start. But you guys have to figure out if this is true or prove me wrong. Yeah, I have changed the game now. It's morning now. Okay, speaking of that, bro, I just need to make me bomb, and the wall is down again. Great. I bet that I better need to upgrade the walls. Wait, what am I doing? I just need to create my pickaxe. I could create a stone sword. I need a wooden stone. I need 5 pieces of wood, you guys. How to warm myself up? Wait, hold up. No, what's happening? I don't care. Oh wait. I think I'm hungry, so that's why. मैंने chopped in a tree. But I need a fork. I don't wanna die. Like guys. Like I went too far. Like, extremely far, and I'm not gonna die. Like I've made my own wall, I made my own defense. It's just tragic. Right now, it would be the worst time. Right. Trying to repair the house, it won't work. I have to do it quick, or at least survive. But how to make myself warm again? That I don't know. How to make myself warm? I kept myself outside. I just want to create my spanner, yeah. actually use a spanner? What do we use it for? I think for fixing stuff. I need 3 pieces of wood and stone. I need 3 pieces of wood. It's so annoying. Four pieces of stone. Anyways, I have a better pickaxe. Hope it will a little bit faster. Is there some sort of feature in this game? Let's try again. I don't know if I'm going to find my items again. Oh, it's so. Wait, is this the spot? And no. I have to play again. Bone. I guess cube is better than steel. This is actually strong. Because they have walked the world front. He'll even look weak. First day. After one I don't even have a sword. That dang spider chasing me around. Why are spiders not harmless in this game? Is there supposed to be some sort of peace? What is the reason for this game? This game hates us. Like always hates me. The game itself hates me, you guys. I don't know what's wrong with the game. It all the time hates me. How do we get the head back? I know they are hidden places. Flowers, but I guess they're there. I need white flowers for toilet paper. Ooh, is that white flowers? Oh, they are. Doesn't look white, but it's white flowers, you guys. It's white flowers. Yeah, let's go, baby. So, what's this? Bone extract, purple mushroom, bone. OMG, there's a lot of bones. Okay, iron 8. Okay. Wait, I noticed thing. I need green stone, red stone, and yellow stone. What is called? What the heck is that? Okay. Yeah, toilet paper. White flower and grass too. Okay, let me make toilet paper. Flower things there. I have toilet paper. I have toilet paper. Okay, first let us make basic tools like a pickaxe or a sword. Where is that one? Okay, now I put wood again. 25. Hate this. Not in the world. Whenever I see this, that reminds me of some sort of dungeon or something down there. What the world is down there? Just tell me. Okay. 3. Yeah, it's actually the sticks, which is actually kind of correct. It'll hurt if you just get stuck. You come from the other, this deer. It'll obviously hurt him, but you guys, if you come in the middle, you're like out. If you come in the middle, you'll die. I couldn't kill him. Well, I need to kill them afterwards. But I'm not telling you guys. I'm just telling. Wait, can I create it into an iron pickaxe or something? Wait, that's my hand crafting. This mushrooms. And obviously some bones, because I need that to turn that into bone mixture. I don't know how to create the bone mixture, by the way. Because I forgot. Sometimes I forget. Fire afterwards, which makes sense, so I don't get thirsty and die. Let's dig more trees underground. Are the trees underground? Just tell me, on the surface, not on the air, not underground. Let's tell me some trees. It's not a variety of stones to bring us. There is a time that you guys might take your dad message, and it actually feels kind of funny. Dig some trees. Are you serious? Digging trees underground. What dumb? What is something so important? Okay, so I have to create some torches. Like that, right? Whatever. And you cannot delete the poop. You cannot delete poopies. I don't know why. I guess it's being too eco-friendly. OMG guys, I found diamonds. I'm setting the carrot there. Diamond. What? You only have a plate. Boots. Where is the helmet? You need the helmet. Anyways, I'm gonna set up a campfire right here. Now I'm gonna be a bit warm, right? That's how we stay warm. Make a campfire. I still need a water source, so I can set up a camp here unless I have water. I'm just going to keep it to warm up a little bit or just settle down till the night is over. Anyways, I've set the night to very low. You don't have to worry about mob protection. Like that night. And it's gonna break. Hold it. Actually, I put apples like right in the TDO. But I not use it, but I have to. And it's done. Great. And more diamonds. I'm so unlucky, man. But you get bones. Okay. I just because it's a grave. Diamonds. My god. There's a lot of diamonds in this sea. Oh, lose the chain and take the dive with him. With the remaining. guess it rained because something tragic was going to happen. I guess it's because of that. But why? How will I heal if I don't have the healing potion or bone mixer? I don't know what in the world does bone mixer do. Okay, first die. Wait. Just guys, imagine that you spawn in a cave in your first Minecraft world. You have wooden. There's a tree inside that cave. It does such a that even in a sword, a pickaxe, every single diamond armor, every tool of diamond, and a tree in right beside that mine. Like it's also a green, and I wasted it. Great. By the way, what's under here? Nothing. I just got decoration. No. We need food. Okay, we need the food. Food is important. If you don't have food, we'll starve till death. And you also need a campfire to stay warm inside our houses. 4 little houses. Now we are in the forest, so we will be a little cold. There are also some other stuff around we could explore. And we could even grow our own what we call that apple tree. We get apple tree saplings due to that. Because it's really cool. Not a lot. We still need some coal. We need a lot of resources. And we need deers. Most importantly, a deer. But first we just need a crafting table. And how to get a tent. We need 2 pieces of leather and 2 pieces of wood. But before that, no, not the crafting table. 2 pieces of wood and 2. Ooh, okay. Let's put it right here. Is that a moose? I guess that's a moose. You guys, that's a moose. I only got 1 piece of leather. You know what? I should better take a deer than a moose. Because a moose will kill you. And like I'm almost about to die. In few hits or so. Oh, 2 diamonds. Oh, 3 diamonds. Why didn't they add the sprinting mode in this game? And I'm after a spider. I'm chased by a spider. That was great noise. At least I got leather. Oh. Are you serious? I had food. Everything I needed and I died. I'm taking this shit out. It's like this. Let's get into it. One, I did this, and then if we die, I die again. Let's get into it. So in day 1, I woke up and I chopped down trees. It feels like that, like repeating every time I die. Like every time I die, I make a new hardcore video. It feels like that. And I hate spiders, guys. I really hate. Okay, if you're feeling little poopy, little cute, poop in the toilet. Okay, you don't have time. Okay, he's behind. Why are you so slow in this game? You're like too weak or too something. Civilization is trying to attack me. That civilization is trying to attack me. I think I lost it. I lost it. Why would the apple tree doesn't give you 2 apples? It's so annoying, irritating, evil, you could tell. It's an apple tree entirely filled with 2 apples. What is this? guys, I have learned a lesson on video, okay guys? Only video and no moves. But it's a bad area, but to find a diamond. You're going to get a diamond. It just takes a lot of time for what to use. And by the way, wooden pickaxe breaks really quickly. Even other wooden tools. See, we still get the diamond, but the problem is very slow and it's going to break. There's a chance that it's going to break. So, might not the silver or any other pickaxe. I could even enable the best. See. Come on, parrot. Oh. Oh, not this spider again. I guess that's it for today. Hello. Anyways, let's just wrap up.